Hi, so today I want to give you some support for moving worry and overthinking. In Chinese medicine, that's associated with the spleen. And when we're not fully connected with the earth, when we're not feeling that connection with the earth, we can get into that sense of feeling worried. We can feel it untrusting, hopeless. And here's a good way to start to move that qi and feel that strong connection with the earth. So the sound we're going to make is whoo. You could phonetically spell it W-H-O, but it's more like it's a deeper sound in the throat. You could also spell it H-U if you're going to be more pinyin, like the Chinese. So if you can think of this sense of getting this sound a little bit deeper into the throat, whoo, whoo, as opposed to whoo. So you can play with the level of sound. The goal of that is to get this energy down into the spleen. And the spleen is right down here, kind of under the ribs, more here on the left side of your body. So let's take a moment just to kind of locate this area. And let's play with that sound by keeping the hands here. Take a nice breath in. And see if you can feel it resonating in the spleen. And one way to play with that is start at a higher tone and move your way down. Ooh, I start to feel it about there. Ooh. And the more you can get the resonance in the organ, the more it's going to benefit you. So let's try that one more time. Take a nice breath in. Ooh. That resonation is breaking up any stuck energy in the spleen. So the way that we'll actually do the exercise, though, is with a different arm posture. So to do that, I'm going to invite you to interlace your palms, bring the hands above the head, stretch the arms, make sure you don't lock the elbows. And you're going to lean away from your spleen. So I'm going to invite you to lean to your right. So that's going to open up a little bit. So you want to be upright and a slight tilt. Better way to say that. Better little tilt so that you can open up the flow there without blocking off the energy in your spine. Take a nice breath in, and then we'll make our whoo sound. Whoo. And then bring your hands down to your left side and feel the energy of the spleen and imagine it filling up with a beautiful 24-karat gold, a beautiful golden color. The powerful color of gold brings more vibrancy, and that will help to bring in more trust and faith, moving beyond those worries. And just breathing with this idea of golden light. And if you're not visual, just work with the intention. That's pretty powerful. So let's try this again. Interlace the fingers, palms up, nice upright posture and a slight tilt to your right. Take a breath in. And then bring your hands back down. Back over your spleen, beautiful golden color. With the intention, or if you're lucky enough to be visual, you can visualize it. Or you can be out in the sun, let the sun hit your face. That's a lovely way to do it too. Good, let's try that one more time. Interlace those fingers, palms up, get nice and tall in your posture. Make sure the elbows aren't locked. Slight tilt to your right. Take a breath in, open the eyes. And imagine that sound that you just make for your full exhale, taking all your worries away. And then we'll fill this area up with a beautiful golden color to bring more balance, more support. Good. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.